Procore is built for large commercial projects, and most small contractors quickly run into pricing and setup complexity that doesn't match residential or small commercial jobs. By the end of this, you'll know which platform actually fits small contractors, where Buildertrend is usually enough, and when Procore only makes sense if you're scaling into large commercial work. Start with the core difference that matters most. Procore is designed for enterprise construction management across multiple large job sites at once. It centralizes bidding, RRS, submittals, financial tracking, and project controls at a level that assumes you have dedicated project managers. That structure is powerful, but it also means heavier setup and more overhead for small teams. Buildertrend is built for residential builders, remodelers, and small to mid contractors managing fewer simultaneous projects. It focuses more on job scheduling, client communication, change orders, and project visibility without requiring a large operations team. That difference changes everything about daily use. Here's how it plays out in real work. In project management, Procore is structured around formal workflows. Every document, approval, and request follows a controlled process. That's useful on large commercial jobs where compliance and coordination matter across multiple stakeholders. Buildertrend keeps workflows simpler. You can manage schedules, send updates to clients, and track job progress without needing formal enterprise-level routing. That's faster for smaller crews who don't want administrative overhead slowing down the job. Now look at financial tracking. Procore has deep construction financial tools designed for high-volume project accounting. It connects budgets, contracts, and cost tracking across large-scale operations. Buildertrend keeps financial tools more accessible. It focuses on job costing, change orders, and client invoicing in a way that's easier for small contractors to manage without a dedicated accounting department. Finally, scalability matters. Procore starts making sense when you're managing multiple large commercial projects with complex coordination between teams, subcontractors, and stakeholders. Buildertrend fits contractors who want an all-in-one system for scheduling, communication, and job tracking without enterprise complexity. So the decision comes down to size and structure. If your business runs residential or small commercial jobs, Buildertrend matches your workflow with less friction. If you're operating like a large general contractor managing major commercial builds, Procore is built for that scale. Here's the summary. Buildertrend is simpler, faster to adopt, and designed for smaller contractor workflows. Procore is more powerful, but built for enterprise-level construction management. Next step. Match your software choice to your average project size, not your future goals. If this comparison helped, like and subscribe for more straight answers on construction software.